All right, what's going on, guys? I'm out here actually at some beach in Tampa. It's really nice out here, but I just want to bring you guys this quick video about pivoting. Recently, Facebook has been just a struggle for me, my clients. Some people are getting shut down. I think it's probably because they're being sued, or whatever the case may be. They're just tightening up on ad accounts this time of year, and it's kind of putting me in a weird position. I have to figure out if I have to pivot or not. Um, I don't know. I'm just being really transparent with you guys right now because it's not looking the greatest. It's been, obviously I've built this reputation over the past, 2 to 3 years to run Facebook ads for companies at scale. And then, something like this happens where my page gets restricted. I'm thankful enough to actually have my clients' ads still running, but something like this is I'm an offer owner. So for me, it's kind of like me getting shot in the foot. And, obviously I can pivot to YouTube, gonna see if YouTube brings the same results that I want in order for me to really still scale my offer. Obviously I'll have to spend more on ads, but, if I'm still able to keep this offer running, then I guess I can, keep pushing. But, people don't understand that, when you build a reputation for something for so long and then, it feels like it's not even in your grasp anymore. It's kind of just weird. And that's why this video is mostly about pivoting. You never know when you're going to need to stop that thing that you're doing, maybe compliance, maybe just censorship in the world and things of that sort that are really affecting a lot of Facebook advertisers. A lot of people are just randomly getting shut down, restricted, and it's just hurting a lot of people's business models. And I just implore you to have a plan to pivot. I can do more YouTube SEO. I can do, maybe more content creation. Maybe I can make an income off of my, YouTube channel and push that more, whatever the case may be. But those things are not the best short term because I have a lot of bills, I have a lot of obligations, I have employees, I have, costs. I'm now living in a new house. So it's there's a lot of things, and taking care of family and whatnot. There's always new costs that are coming up in my life and business. So, when a lot of things seem like they're not in your control, sometimes they really aren't. You have to be ready to pivot. So right now I'm just sitting here thinking about what's the next thing that I got to do right now to make sure, that I'm staying compliant, plus, building a long-term business model. So, these kind of things are going through my head currently, and I just wanted to make this video to basically just be more transparent and, let you guys know that I'm okay. But things like this happen in business where you get punched in the face and you don't know what to do. And it's maybe is it time to move on from, platforms that are not going to hold a sustainable business model? Is it time for me to move all my clients to YouTube? Can all of them move to YouTube? No. Am I going to take 4 steps back to take 5 steps forward later on? These things are in my head, and it's, this is where real entrepreneurs make a move that's going to make, that's going to make them great. Business is all about solving problems. And I'm not really going to talk much more because I haven't solved the problem yet. So I'm not going to be a hypocrite to the fact that this discussion is mostly just me talking to myself. But yeah, sometimes shit just doesn't work out your way. You gotta, obviously take time to think. Don't let anybody tell you that you gotta work right away on a solution. You can think, okay? It's not dwelling. It's about getting your thoughts together and making a smart move that is going to be worth your time and energy, okay? Never think that, when things aren't going your way, that you have to make fast decisions all the time. The best decisions ever are always calculated, so don't ever think differently. So thanks, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video.